You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this island in Iran. If you want to learn more vocabulary of the area, including in time of war like this, it's important to know. Stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. Pronounced locally in Persian or Iranian. Kharg Island is how they say it, Kharg. Now, in English, it's usually pronounced as Kharg Island. How to pronounce in English, Kharg Island, or Iranian, Kharg Island. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.